Hello, little friends. Today we meet some wild animals. What sound does each one make? Let's find out. Look, here is a lion. What does the lion say? Look, here is an elephant. What does the elephant say? Look, here is a monkey. What does the monkey say? Look, here is a tiger. What does the tiger say? Look, here is a wolf. What does the wolf say? Look, here is a bear. What does the bear say? Look, here is a zebra. What does the zebra say? Look, here is a crocodile. What does the crocodile say? We met so many animal friends today. A lion, elephant, monkey, tiger, wolf, bear, zebra, and a crocodile. Great listening, little friends. Bye-bye.